On November 30th, I saw this object in the morning sky to the this side of the sun, and I kept watching. And let's see what else. This was, oh, that's the same one. Here's a close-up of it at 9:10 a.m. And then again on a different day. This is December 4th, and it probably got to looking like the other one. But anyway, okay, so I kept watching. This is on the next day on December 5th, and it was getting brighter. Around 9:15 a.m. And this was on December 12th. December 7th at 9:20. And it's sort of like a spiral looking thing. So I was watching this video and I saw them talking about something that looks like this spiral thing. And I was going to show it to you. But first, let's look at these. I got this morning. And there's several in succession. They're about 2 minutes apart. So just watch. Here's the first one at 8:22. 24. 26. 27. 28. 30. 32. 35. And 33. Okay, so here's this thing about the spiral.
If the star is much closer, the calculated energy output may be grossly overestimated. The second is the ability for plasma to store phenomenal amounts of electromagnetic energy in a very tiny volume, known as a plasmoid. Simple application, then, of E equals mc squared shows that a plasmoid can account for the apparent concentration of mass in a small volume. No black holes or neutron stars are necessary. What's